Hey everyone, I am Kanchan Sardana from RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. Hope you all are doing well. So, we classify the drug according to the biopharmaceutics, which include the different parameters. As we earlier discussed, the drug depends upon the three parameters: solubility, dissolution rate, and permeability. Where solubility is correlated with the dose number, dissolution rate is correlated with the dissolution number, and permeability by the absorption number. So, dose number, which is a function of solubility of the drug substance, the required amount of dose we given in a formulation gives the solubility. Be how much drug is soluble in our body fluids or limited fluid present in the body. So, it is noted by DO is equal to D by V upon CS, where D is the highest dose, V is the volume of water, and CS is the concentration solubility ratio. So it is the dose concentration by the solubility ratio. Then dissolution number is a fraction of drug released from the formulation, and it is defined as the ratio of mean residence time to mean dissolution time. Means the drug which at time period reside in the body to the mean dissolution, how much it dissolved in the body. So it is given by equation Dn is equal to Tgi by Tcd, where Tgi is the residence time in the gastrointestinal fluid and Cd is time required for the complete dissolution, that should not exceed more than 1. Then absorption number, where it is a function of GI permeability of the drug substance. Absorption number is the time required to absorb the administered dose. It is the ratio of the mean residence time to the mean absorption time. Means the how much drug reside in the body to the how much absorption time. So An is equal to Tgi by Tabs, and it is also should not exceed more than 1. Then how we determine the permeability of the drug? By in situ rat intestinal perfusion, in which we use the male Wistar rat and jejunal segment length of the 10 centimeter with a perfusion rate of 0.1 ml per minute. We perfuse or we give the drug solution and we collect the urine samples. Then we determine the dissolution by dissolution apparatus, where we put the in vitro drug particle into the dissolution apparatus and we take the samples in it. And how we determine the solubility by solubilizing the drug in the fluid. So class boundaries include highly soluble, the highest dose strength should be soluble in more than 250 ml of the water over the pH range of 1 to 7.5, which is estimate of 8 ounces glasses. Then highly permeable, where the extent of absorption in humans is determined to be the less than 90% of the administered dose, and rapidly dissolving drug, where 85% of the label amount of the drug dissolved within the 30 minutes in USB apparatus 1 and 2 with the volume of not more than 900 ml. So BCS boundaries objective are rapid dissolution, which ensure the in vivo dissolution, highly soluble, which ensure the solubility, and permeability, where the drug is completely absorbed through our membrane of intestine. So this is the IVC expectation for the IRP based on the BCS. So it included the 4 classes and gastric emptying time, where we can correlate the in vitro in vivo correlation. So these are the drugs which shows the class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4 drugs. So this is all about the solubility, dissolution and permeability. Thank you.